Hey, here I am with the Redmi 13C and the POCO C65, and I'm gonna show you any difference between the battery settings. So first we are start from this screen, and it looks like everything is the same. Here we got the battery saver, the ultra battery saver. We've got the optimization information for the one scenario, and below we can actually find information about the battery usage. When you go in the settings in the right upper corner, on the both devices we can find option to turn off mobile data when device is locked, clear cache when the device is locked, and there we can customize the battery saver settings, just like this. And here we've got also the ultra battery saver customize options. They are also the same. Below we can find the battery drain information settings and app battery saver. So here we can set the the scenario for each application. Now when you go back, we can actually click right here on the battery, and from here we can find the battery temperature, how many times we charge today our device, the app battery saver information, and the schedule to power on and off. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.